แต่น้อยยังมงชวนจัวขอเชิญมัวชั่วเป้มวนดาวหอชั่วคอเตาดาวหอมอสิลีชั่วรองมอแคนเซอร์ชั่วรองมอชาเชียนชากะจีชั่วรองมอจังเรจังจีชั่วรองมอเจมินยัวชั่วรองมอเจ้าเขาอย่าดาวชั่วรองมอกะจังเป้าชั่วรองมอกิลิวาชั่วจินเอกจิมือรอชั่วเซงตูชั่วรองมอก็เทียนดาวหอชั่วชันเดอมองชวนจัวยอขอเชยก็เจเสียเตายอก็มัวหลูจีตอเต้าเลยยอสาป้อนดอยาก็อยู่มัวปังสื่อหูมุนดอตูกือชั่วถาเตาหนูยป้าก็ชาลาคอก็ตูมอก็รงจีชอคูสิเนี่ยแต่หลอยสิปีเจ้าลูเตียเนี่ยยอจับพอที่นั่งยอจับยอคอก็ตูมอก็รงเลยคือยังอยู่มัวเนี่ยซื้อย้อนจงหูเราตูสต้องtrâu chỉ y bé chỉ plau y oi y bé hu tàu xua lú chỉ hở đợt bém hóng chuôn chúa yếu mò bằng sử bá tàu co
testaw lang kaya. So ay mahal si may cuma tinggal ni. Ay ta nang tinggal dekat tu lah. Ay ta nang tinggal dekat tu lah. Solat kaki ni. Nơi thiên nói người đi chỉ hay tiền thế này nó lại cho thế này lấy sang kia thì có giá mình thế này giá nữa thank you.
Did you get one? No. Yeah. Out there.
Guess what, Bass? Sudi Bass? I feel like want to see the house. Then get down. You need to stand in front of Daddy. Very quickly, you and Daddy. Stand in front of Daddy.
Okay, you must be tired.
No kidding.
Yeah, relax a little bit. Relax for 1 minute. Hello, good.
Big witch. See, Mama. Big witch.
Hey, you see you? Come here. Hey, Senator. Mayor. Senator.
Mama, do you know who that is? That's the mayor St. Paul. Hi, What do you want me to do with this?
nào.
你半日落咗齊㗎啦。
OK，慢慢游啊，慢慢游啊，慢慢游啊。哦，look at that, Emma. Woo! Is that the tub? Here?
你
哦，这个给你从里面上来。
But 40 years have passed. The hope and excitement of ntxhais St. Paul over having someone from this locality becoming Olympic winners was slowly fading away. But today the Olympic excitement and glory, the story of Olympic excitement have rejuvenated. The victory is here with us again. This time with a new story, a younger story, a story of refugees, immigrants, and new Americans. The story of a loving mother, the story of a good Hmong father. So rising out of the horizon, where the sun comes up first every morning in St. Paul, is S-U-N-I, Sunisa Lee. This time it's not only about miracle on ice, but it's a miracle on air now by one of our daughters, Sunisa, our Hmong daughter. She's like a hummingbird on an uneven bar, they say on the news. Sunisa now is in history as the 6th American holding the Olympic gold medal for gymnastics all around. Yet, like new veteran of my generation and Simone Biles of the new millennium and 3 others, she also the first Minnesotan, the first Asian American, the first Hmong ever in this world to achieve gold medal title. Yes, to achieve gold medal title in the Olympic gymnastics. Like the legend of her group previous to us, who will talk about Sunisa for many years to come, especially here in the East Side and in our Hmong American community. We love you, Sunisa. There will be books, articles, and perhaps a Hollywood film, or a statue of you in St. Paul to signify new hope, victory, exuberance, perseverance, and resilience. So take good care of yourself. Enjoy your youth now, but train hard and train well, because we still want you to take more gold medal next time around, next Summer Olympic in Paris 2024. All right? And thank you, Yeej and John Lee. You two are good parents to your children. You inspire all of us as well. Yeej, if I have my way, you are our mother of the year. All right? And John, East Side in the house. Is Minnesota in the house? Is our Hmong community in the house? You know, one of my favorite things I've ever gotten to do as mayor. Last week, we were able to declare it Sunisa Lee Day in the city of St. Paul.
Tụi ta sẽ nói cho tụi mẹ rồi nhé, tao
And
sạch
Sunisa
họ đó.
was still in Tokyo when we did that. She was still competing. And somebody looked at me and they said, hey, shouldn't we have waited until she gets back to declare it Sunisa Lee Day in St. Paul? And I said, tell you what, let them know we're not anywhere close to done celebrating Sunisa Lee in St. Paul. and I saw a headline, a national news story, Mr. Governor, that said back home, Sunisa Lee's Hmong community is cheering her on. And I'll tell you what, I looked at that headline and I said, you know what, that's only half right. Because anybody who was out here today, anybody who just walked that parade route, anybody who looks out around this crowd knows that Sunisa Lee's whole community is back home cheering her on. As the governor mentioned, it's been a stretch on this planet, in this state, in this city. We've had a hard time, and we needed this opportunity to celebrate. And I'll tell you, it's poetic that this opportunity to celebrate came to us through a daughter of our Hmong community. Because our Hmong community, alongside all of our Asian Americans,
first became a writer, my Uncle Ang spoke to me of how the things we do in this world live on, how some things never die. Sunisa, what you have accomplished at the 2021 Tokyo Olympics is a living thing. Generations from now, some child somewhere will chance upon those videos of you flying through the air, leaping on that beam, reaching for gold. And the work you've done in Tokyo, you will do again and again. You will inspire many to believe in a world where there is a before and an after, a world where joy and celebration awaits, and the deeds of a lifetime will live beyond lifetimes. 我赚到。
Thank you, Kalia Yang. So wonderful. I love hearing her words. Okay, these next folks you might feel like you already know. Hmob Lee and Hmob are, yes, the parents of Olympian Sunisa Lee. Lee is the son of Sunisa Lee and Hmob. Lee came to the States as a refugee. He spent some time in the Navy before attending the University of Minnesota Mankato, and then returned to the Twin Cities to raise a family. Pa is the daughter of Chia Fong Pa and Si Lee. She has spent 20 plus years as a healthcare employee helping Hmong members. It's wonderful. And I want you to know also that while we are here celebrating Suni, Yang is such a proponent of all of her children. They have 6 children. Please welcome Hmob Lee.
I like my wife's family. If you guys want to come up too, please.
That doesn't mean we won't bring our aid. Help us, Troy. Help us realize our potential. Yeah, teach us the secrets behind the weapons of species.
There is much to teach. We must return to the monastery. Patience.
Okay. National knowledge của hài đó. Okay. Thank you to everybody that's here. Nhớ rằng cho biết trong món sẽ đời không là lúc ăn tu chỉ hai tu lâu là cho tụi mình yêu chỉ hai sinh từ chỉ hai lúc tới chờ từ đó cố yêu Sunisa Lee chỉ cố lúc bây giờ hoa ly nó cũng bắt đi giờ dẫn thọ đó. Sunisa ya tung sai you theo tu lo ta chỉ mình ya bên mong không phải lúc ăn tu nó ít từ giải mong này nếu mà bánh sử nếu muốn dân tộc Penubi ilu yo nhia ilu yo ku ilu yo tong trâu từ Japan cú sáuวันนี้เชิญจองในตัวบัตรเชิญจะ要半夜8点钟8路路我那团我在去 Japan เรา不愿给这单张知道冇กูใส่เอาไปรอลมีกา I also would like to thank all of Sunisa's family friends and fans all over the world that supported Sunisa throughout her gymnastic journey. She has been through so much and sacrificed so much, but she finally made her dream come true. That is because she had all the emotional and financial support she needed from every single, from the national team and everybody in this community and the world that always help her, whether through words or, you know, everything.
He's really smart. He's just
Next, I want to thank three great countries in my life. Laos for giving me my white bird. Thailand for taking care of us when we need it. And the USA, the land of opportunity which gave birth to my daughter Sunisa, and the opportunity for her to reach her goal. The Olympic and became the first Hmong America all-around world champion.
something from creatures, beasts, and beyond.
Lastly, I want to thank four very dear person in my life. They may not all be around physically to hear me, but I am sure they are always with us in spirit. I would like to thank my dad, Sunisa Lee. My mom, Ma Vang, she's right there in a wheelchair. My wife's dad, Tip Hong Tong. And her mom, Si Lee. Without them, we would not be here, and Sunisa would have the opportunity to set such amazing example for the world to see who are the Hmong people. Thank you. Ta là biết rõ tại rõ. Oh, ta. Sorry, my wife. I want to give this microphone to my wife.
I'll pretend you didn't ask.
Thank you so much for everyone to come and show up for Sunisa's parade. That just shows how much you guys are. I mean, so much. It means so much to us that all of you guys are here supporting Sunisa and her journey. And I don't know what to say, but I just want to say thank you. Tôi cho nên cho chuẩn bị cho nên cho từ tôi bắt chơi của tôi sai thế ở nơi phát triển này rồi cũng do nơi này tất nhiên cũng muốn chỉ change thế nào rồi thì cũng bao hải đó chỉ cũng cho cho nên cho nên sợ là cho nên cho tôi nó tôi chơi nữa thế chỉ ta lên đó thầu nữa nếu muốn sang thì Japan là nên sợ là bắt cháu nữ cho hai tiền nhỏ tí xế cháu nữ lo nhỏ có thứ cháu nữ lo nè sợ bắt cháu nữ nữ do nữ chỉ do ở tuần sai xứ nữ do nè tan cho sợ là tuần sai và cho thank you.
Okay, we need to give a round of applause again to the lead talk